Okay, greetings everyone. Welcome to Gerard Black and Philippines with Truth. I want to welcome to our channel, all my subscribers, peaches, triggers, lovers, haters, commenters, each and every one of you. I want to welcome to my channel. Well, it's over. This is the last bit of beam footage from my Manila trip. You guys wanted to see, but it's what I was committed to do. I had to put everybody in there who I videotaped. That's why a lot of the times in my thumbnails you see people in there because I want them to know that they're in that footage. So I always try to do my best to put everybody who I put in my videos to let them know they're in that video. All right, so hold on a second. Let me sign off. This is gonna be a long one, but let me watch this beam footage and I'll be right back.
This is the court.
Oh, the court right here?
Yes. But no ball. Yeah, this is the court. Well, this is the court. Yeah, this is the court. This is the court.
Let's see.
Yeah.
This is where they play basketball.
Yeah, basketball.
What's up, man?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up,
You tried basketball or no?
Do you want basketball? Pustahan tayo may basket.
You not borrow 100 peso, right? You borrow points.
I don't have no
100 points.
no coins. I have 100.
You wanna fight me? This is 1v1.
I can't do nothing. Amigos, maybe next time.
Maybe next
I
time.
got no coins and no 100 pesos.
Yon, sana.
I was gonna have you shoot.
Shout out.
Shoot.
Shout out. Shout out.
Wait.
Hey, yo.
Okay.
Wala dang bola? Bola?
Ayan, oh, bro. Pera pa.
Bola, para mo yung bola. Pasikin mo ito. Gusto mo ba? Ano lang?
Do you want to play
Do you,
No. I want
what?
Amigo. Whoever makes 3 shots get 100 pesos.
Oh, 100 pesos, makatatlong shot. Bilisan mo.
3 shots, 100. From the foul line.
Oh.
From the foul line.
Hindi, dyan. Yes.
Go to the store.
Palitan mo.
Okay, listen.
Take a seat.
Okay, yeah.
Take a seat. Okay.
Okay.
1 point. 1 point. No. Next. One. Oh, okay. 300. Oh, next.
Die, come here, die.
Die.
Give me your change.
My two brother.
Where your brother what?
Two brothers we
go buy the Coke?
We change.
I told you,
Yeah.
not your brother. I told you. Okay, no, yeah, no. Okay, go 3 times.
3 times, ha?
Try lang, try.
3 times.
No, 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
No try.
Ayun o, maklo.
Wala.
Okay, come on.
Okay, pasa mo sa kabila. Pasa mo, oy.
Okay, come
Pasa
on.
mo. Okay.
Friend yan?
Oh, yan.
Okay, you're good. 3 times.
3 times.
Okay, go do it. Go.
1. Okay, no. Next.
Okay, give him a try.
Dito, kay Bunso. Kanina ka pa. Yan.
Okay, if you don't know what's happening.
Oh, 1.
Whoever gets 3,000
Three.
the young kid said, let me try. Look at moves.
Wala.
He had the moves. Okay, come on.
Bilisan mo na!
Ah.
Come on. I haven't got all night.
Hanggang gabi daw, hanggang gabi.
One shot, one shot.
Six shot. 3 times.
Wala.
Sabi mo kung ilang shot.
3.
Tatlo daw? Ah, ilang shot?
3 times. 3 times.
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Ha? Oo, pre, dito ko yun eh.
Again, Nico!
Okay. Come here. Okay, from here. 3 times.
Oh, pila. Bumila kayo, oy. Bumila. Oy, bumila kayo.
Yo, this is me, Spatter. Kahit walang pumasok, 150 men.
Alam mo. Pila.
You missed or did you get it?
I get it.
Okay, wait. Okay, here we go. Wait. 3 times.
Yo, what's up?
One! Andan!
3 times a day.
Oh, one.
Last na siya, last.
150.
Oh, wala. Next.
Ayup ka, tama-tama. 100 di ba, kuya?
300.
300.
Next.
Wala.
Oh,
Yun
wala.
sana, Spatter, huwag niyong kalimutan. Bunso, bilisan mo na.
Oh, wala.
Wala.
Okay, 1 point. 1 point. Oh, 2 points. For the last. Oh, wala.
Here we go.
Bang.
Okay, 1 point.
Spatter yun.
1 point. Okay, 2 points.
Spatter. Kinamahan. Bang.
Oh, wala. Okay, buboy. Oh, wala. Pare, wala. Wala.
Ayan yung tropa ko. Ayan yung tropa ko.
This is still recording.
Okay.
Yeah. Nakaikot na dyan. Ako naman. Spatter ako kanina. Spatter yan. Tropa. Sablay agad. What?
Oh, wala.
Spatter na. Nawala pa. Ay, si Negro. Sure ball yan. Gross, spatter mo. Pangit yun.
Oh.
Ay, naku, bakla yan.
Wala pa rin.
Ay, si Pugaan.
Kaya nga eh.
Kasigan.
Ano tira na lang
Ayan na si
yun eh.
Puga. Wala talaga si Puga. Ay, Joseph.
300 yan, no?
Sa! Oh, one. Ah, wala. Hindi po sila sumali dyan. Hindi, tumila kayo dyan.
Ana!
Ano?
Bang! Spatter na. Yan! Yan, sana.
With the change.
Okay.
This is a price, 300 pesos.
Okay.
Sana na kayo. Go. Nice, sana.
Is it still recording? Okay, come on.
Uy, 500 na yan, oh. 500.
No, that's 300.
Oh, okay.
Beg.
Oh!
Yan, sige, yung batter. Yung bata mo na dyan, sige. Batter, ah. Batter. Hindi seryoso, wala.
What?
Ayan na yung ano. Ayan na yun.
Come on.
Ay, ito pala. Sunod pa na ako sa'yo. Batter na kasali. One. Magasa. 1-0. 1-0. Up. Hey.
Okay.
Yossi na, nawala pa. Ang dami sana yung kami. Yossi ba? 1-0. Bal, pagkutao daw! Pagkutao! Oh, hey, yo. Hey, kawa. Ako. Tatlo tayo. Hoy! Tatlo kami. Tayo? Oo. Tayo. Four people! Sama si Aris! Dalawa. Pog isa lang! Pog! Jaime, one shot! Oh! One more! This is for 2 shots! Shot! Game!
I'm not a basketball player. What do you laugh at? You gotta be happy. You by your family.
Okay. With the elements.
Nagkaan yung Amerika?
Okay, go ahead. You saw how bad I shoot. I'm the only black man who can't play basketball.
Dito, video. Game. Sino ako? Sino ba matay?
Dalawa na lang.
Tawag namin sa Yan sa school. Sa Suman.
Are we still recording?
O sige, apat. Kasi naman kasi.
Okay, good.
Apat? Apat. Kasi naman kasi ito isa.
Ilan tira tayo? Lumag din?
O, tapos lang ito.
Kuya!
Wala na. Ulit.
No.
Ano ba? Ito na. Ito. Ilan tira ba to? Tatlo.
We're trying to find some basketball players here in the Philippines. You see, I can't play, but there are a lot of them who are up for the challenge. Whoa.
Okay.
Uy!
Okay.
Round 50.
Oh, one more.
Hoy, ako muna dyan.
Whoa, everyone.
Apat lang yan.
What's our rules? All go. O, sa inyo kayo. Dalawang
Rico!
Which one gave you change of 500? Who gave you change of 500?
Sa akin. Me.
No. What store?
This.
Okay.
Hindi dyan.
The things with 500 is we go to buy something for everybody.
Yeah.
That's so good.
Hey, yo. Give me 100, yo. Bigyan mo yan, yo. Boy! Nakuha eh. Yo.
Parang pinagawa mo.
Soft drinks. Isa na lang sa akin. Easy.
Come here, man. Hello.
Hey!
Where are you? I don't see you.
Hindi kita makita, te. Halika dito.
Where are you?
Ayan dyan.
Is he beautiful? Yes.
Yes, so
Like two.
But are you happily married? Okay, so you have 300, right?
Yung American.
No. With
much you have?
people, with 300.
Okay, so where's the money? Where's the money?
No. Because the money is every people.
Pumunta kayo.
People.
Pumasok mo ganyan.
We not buying us.
Joe!
Why
The
not?
soft drink is with everybody.
Everybody happy.
Oh, soft drinks. So where's the
Everybody happy. Soft drinks.
People.
Many people. Hey Joe, you want try me? You want try me?
Who's sharing it?
Asa si Juan?
Yan. Go on in malayo.
For
Oh, ginanamitin.
Dito. Uy, don't go. Okay. Lahat daw kayo, may coke. Coke na ina.
Huwag mo nang palabasin ng pera. Saan? Huwag mo nang palabasin ng pera.
Oh, dito.
No, here. No, listen.
Ako. Oh,
Take 500.
Alam mo na.
500 pesos lang tayo na halaga
So
ng
give me
coke.
500 pesos.
500 pesos na halaga ng coke. Hoy, pumila kayo mga bata.
Huwag ka na sumali dyan. Huwag ka na sumali dyan.
Uy, ayos na,
Huwag
bibigyan
ka na sumali dyan.
Dito.
Ano?
Uy, ako dyan ah.
Hoy, mga bata, pumila kayo.
Huwag ka sumingin.
500 pesos lang din na halaga. 500 pesos lang.
Uy!
Tapos yung, ano niya, change na 500 is we go to
Oo nga! Si Tita Mia. Naalog na siya ng Ate Mia.
No, ma'am.
Diyan po ka. Ang sabi.
Listen, come here.
Makinig daw tayo, makinig daw tayo.
Guys, you make sure you give them all something.
Kailangan daw
Okay,
mabigyan
okay.
lahat ha. Kaya,
Okay,
bigyan
okay.
lahat ha. Okay, let's go dito.
Okay.
O, lahat daw kayo mabibigyan. Bigyan kayo, lahat kayo
Something,
mabibigyan.
okay?
Oh. Oh, JB na tayo.
Asawa.
Okay, she gonna give you all something, okay? Okay, she give you something. No.
Sukle. Yung sukle.
Ito eh.
Yung sukle, baga. Sukle.
Okay,
Let's go, let's go.
okay, my hapon. Oh, hello, amigo.
Hey, bro. Philippines. Hello, vlog. Hello, Philippines.
God.
You're okay dito?
Huh?
You're enjoying with
I'm having a wonderful time. I'm having a wonderful time. Seeing beautiful Filipinas. Hello. Beautiful Filipina. Hello. Yes. And my videographer is working just fine. She's holding us down. Whoa, wait, what's this?
This is
My apples. Wow. You gotta be careful when you're walking past doors,
Yes.
because you never know what you might see inside. And inside that was a beautiful Filipina and 2 children.
You're enjoying with the country.
Yeah, I'm having a good time. I don't have to drive, that's better.
Yes. With Grab.
Look at this Filipina. Hello, Filipina. How are you? Hello. So, you don't say the BE.
Mayong gabi. Isa magandang gabi.
What do you say?
Magandang gabi.
Mangandang gabi.
Yes. Isa
Mangandang gabi.
magandang
So
gabi
if
po.
if I was to move here, I have to learn a different language. I'm just saying work. Mangandang gabi. How old are you?
74.
Bless.
Yeah.
I'm 70. Oh, yes. So yeah, Mangandang gabi.
Magandang gabi po with manners.
Oh, with manners, okay.
Yes. Magandang gabi po.
So we're almost back to Ponderosa.
Yes.
We
We're
had a-
drinking Ate Piela.
We had a wonderful time, wonderful afternoon walking around Manila
Yes.
in the community. You know, I was watching this one blogger called China Mac, and as much as he tried to, hello, died.
We just annoy them.
I don't care. I can still say hello.
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 Wait up, bati with hello.
Yes, hello. Okay. So this guy China Mac was trying to show It was like being in the Philippines. I think somebody.
Ay, dito, tatay.
Hello. Somebody may got me something for this one. So we're back here. Oh, China Mac I was talking about. He was trying to walk into Manila. I don't think he's Filipino.
We have a karaoke.
Oh, no.
No.
Okay, here we are. Back. The Rose. Honda. Rosa. Cut this off here. Of course, they're playing music. I want to make sure I get monetized. So I'm going to thank my videographer, my niece, and we'll talk to you later. Tell everybody your name. Tell everybody your name. What's your name?
Rika.
Okay, we'll talk to you later. Peace. Sign off. Okay, so with that being said, remember, dreams are nothing more than plans awaiting action. Never disrespect the others, pull someone up. And sometimes you're only going to see a vision. And the best revenge in life is to live good. I'm living good today. Hope you are too. If you're lucky enough to have a woman like Ali Woodson, formerly singer of Temptation One song, treat her like a lady. And ladies, if you're lucky enough to have a good man like me, make him feel like a king and never say no. Okay, so we're going to put a nail in this trip and move ahead with some more exciting videos. I'll talk to you later. Peace.